Hey guys, good morning. Coach here. So I've got one trade running. It's the USD CHF. I was giving up 2 pips. It's down 3.5, so I'm only down 1.5 pip. You can see I've got it. And this is just strictly for the training. You know, it's a binary process, right? So when I look here, when I got here this morning, I got here about 6:30, and I could see that I had already missed that strategy 6. So the 5 of you that are in the training program, when you get to strategy 6, we'll talk about that. But this is the only trend strategy that I teach. So when I'm looking for it, I'm looking to get all my steps, what's called high in the curve, and I'm looking to pull a minimum 10 pips out of that. So if I drag that down, that one hit when it made the low, almost 16 pips. So that's a great strategy 6. This buy is not, right? And so when I got here, it's like it's going to try to buy against that turn. I can't take it. Now, this is where I have to say, like, if the shoe fits, wear it. So I've told all 5 of the trainees something different because it's based on what stage they're in. So if you're in the no thinking phase, right, and you are just learning this strategy, when you get all 4 steps, you go. It is most likely going to lose, but we don't know until you get all 4 steps, right? What's my setup? What's my confirmation, right? What's my strike going to be once I add up here my spread, right? So this one looks like it's climbing pretty good now. So I'm going to go here and see how the trade's doing. All right. So I'm still down 1.5 pips. So when I look at that, it's like, I don't really trust that buy. This sale could continue that. That's probably more like what I'm looking for. It's kind of like a drop, and then it bases and goes sideways, and then it drops again. When you get these drop base rallies, that's the ones that I hate. So I stay away from them. And this is what you got here. So it's going to tell you to sell it. And by the time you get all of the steps, you're going to be way up here. And by the time you add that spread, you are most likely going to be very close, and you won't win it. So you have to have the patience to play this drawdown, so that now once it breaks out of this, right, this supply and demand zone, which is where it got stopped last time. So it's trading right here at all these tops, right? That's all those bottoms, and that's supply and demand zone. That's kind of when, if you went back in past, you can see that that's played out, right? So when I see that, I automatically get uninterested in it. So I go over here and say, I don't have a 6. Where am I? Well, if I'm below the 50, I'm only looking for a sell, and I'm getting higher highs and higher lows, so I'm not going to get a sell out of that. Once it breaks to 50, I start looking for a buy. Well, see, this is where it gives you that little tester, round 7. Again, I turned my nose up to it. I went and looked. So now when it breaks up and get above, it's like when you're above this line, right? Now you only want to be a buyer. I don't want to buy against this downtrend. I'm not saying it won't win. I'm just using the thinking part, the part that the trainees aren't allowed to use yet. But for everybody else that's trading money, if you kind of get stuck, maybe this will help you. When the EU's playing below, above, below, above, right? I don't really like it. If the dollar and the Dow are both green or both red, there's no divergence. So basically what that means is you'll keep getting what you're getting, which is right now a sloppy market. So I want to stay on the side of, if I'm below the 50, I'm just a seller. So that's where I'm at. I'm below the 50. I've got mine fibbed out, right? If I take the fib off so don't confuse you guys, I'm below the 50, so I'm following the 4-step binary process, and this would end sometime around 10, well, it's a minimum 2-hour trade. So I've been in it, maybe been in it 20 minutes. So 7:45, 8:45, 9:40. This is like a 10 a.m. trade. But I have some news that we have to deal with, right? So depending upon where you're at, you're playing through the news or around the news, right? And you'll know based on what I tell you. So if you have any questions, let me know. This may be the only one that I get today, right? I just don't know yet. So if you have any questions, let me know. See you. Peace.